This is the Mclouis Fusion 360 and it comes with a permanent double bed at the back set over a really big garage with a 300 kilogram payload capacity. It's also got an electric drop-down double bed over the front lounge. It's very well equipped. It comes with Fiat's 140 brake horsepower Euro 6D engine as standard, and for 2020 the Lux pack with all the luxury trimmings. And as you can see, the habitation door is on the UK near side. So this is one of two main beds in the 360. This is the Transverse fixed double bed across the back, set high over the garage where you've got a 300 kilogram capacity. There's locker storage space across the back as well, and a roof light overhead with a window on this side so you can have daylight ventilation should you wish anytime you want. Also lots of LED lighting back here as well, so ambient and direct. So nice cozy bed, set high, fixed, easy access thanks to steps coming up. So here's the washroom in the 360. It's got a swivel bowl toilet and a fixed basin. Good storage because there's a locker here and a large overhead locker, plus all-important window for ventilation, and then little fittings like the toothbrush mug holder and the tray for a bar of soap or whatever. There's a handy mirror there as well. And then over on this side is the shower cubicle. It's set over the wheel arch, but it's all neatly covered and with plastic. So when you're showering, it's quite handy to be able to put your feet up, literally, to wash them. And then the shower itself is on a riser bar. There's an LED light and a permanent vent. So here's the kitchen in the 360, all along the offside. Starts off with a 3-burner hob, and then there's a duplex combined oven and grill down below. A sink set into the worktop here as well. There's bits of worktop around it, so that's all very handy for putting things when you're preparing your meals. There's good storage. There's a locker here. There's an overhead locker. And then there are these handy pull-out lockers here as well with lots of adjustment. Ideal for fresh fruit and veg, bottles, that sort of thing. And then alongside here is a narrow-bodied fridge with a freezer compartment. Just over the habitation door, which is on the UK near side of course, is the main control panel, easy to get to as soon as you step into the van. Easy touch controls, Truma controls for the heating and hot water right beside, and then there's some light switches here. Set up for TV sockets as well here, because of course there's a flat screen TV holder right alongside. And then the beauty of this is you can watch TV from the drop-down bed or from the main lounge. Here's the lounge in the 360. It's a little bit larger than some because it's got a double seat on the near side facing inwards, and then there's the bench seat for traveling with an L-shaped section for on-site use. Large table on a pedestal leg, but it's adjustable for fore and aft. Obviously the cab seats come into play when you're on site as well, and they're easy to swivel around and join the rest of the lounge. There's an excellent array of storage in this Mclouis. There are lockers to either side of the overcab section, and then unusual for a drop-down double bed these days, but there are full-size lockers on the underside, both sides. There's storage in the seat bases here in the lounge. The kitchen has a great array of storage, and then there are lockers across the back wall, not forgetting of course that massive garage accessed from outside under the transverse bed at the back. Now the bed at the back might be permanently there, but this is just as permanent really. It's a simple switch and the bed comes down to the required height. Then all you do is hook on your ladder and you're ready to go. It's a one-piece mattress and it's on sprung slats for extra support and a bit of ventilation, all very comfy, easy to get up to via the ladder. Reading lights there as well. Of course you can watch TV from bed thanks to the flat screen TV holder behind me. All very comfy, all very luxurious. Here's another thing to love about the Mclouis Fusion 360, this massive garage at the back. It's got a 300 kilogram payload and it's got space for your bikes, your barbecues, your outdoor furniture, you name it. Massive doors as well, so there's no problem getting stuff in and out. There's a door, the same door on the other side. There's a light in here. There are lashing points for tying things down. There's even a blown air outlet in here. So these Mclouis come with the 140 brake horsepower engine as standard. It's the Euro 6D model, so it's up with the latest emissions standards, and it's still got a lovely turn of performance. It's ideal for this size of vehicle, and of course it's Fiat's Ducato, so it's arguably the best, certainly the most popular base vehicle of them all. And as you can see, it steers well, handles well on these, even on these country roads. Steering is always very positive. It's a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with the option of automatic transmission should you wish. Proper automatic transmission these days as well. Cab upgrades include air conditioning as standard, digital radio as standard, with sat-nav and a colour reversing camera. Thanks to the mirrors, double mirrors on each door, you get an excellent view down each side and beyond. And of course you're sat up higher, so you can literally see over the hedges when it suits you.